Okay, from today's tutorial, we're going to model a walkie-talkie that goes along with the Lego minifig. And real fast before we do the modeling, let's just go ahead and actually take a look at these walkie-talkies. Really interesting as far as their form is concerned. Each different side to this walkie-talkie features something completely and uniquely different, which is going to represent a fair bit of a challenge for us as we make this into one object over here in Maya. All right, so hopping back over to my Maya scene, you can see that I have my left side reference, I have my front reference, and then on a separate layer over here, I also have my rear reference and then my right side reference. All right, so I'll just go ahead and toggle that off, and let's go ahead and get started. All right, now when I'm modeling something like this, especially something that prominently features an ellipse, I like to go ahead and start with that as my base geometric object. Now, in this particular case, instead of a cylinder, let's go ahead and actually get started with a pipe. All right, so the pipe's created. I'll just go ahead and press return to commit that. Click on the polypipe input. I'm going to change my subdivision axis to 16. All right, I'm going to scale my thickness now. All right, and get that in place. Now I'll come over here to the side, select all the faces with the exception of this one end cap, and go ahead and delete them. All right, I'll come back over here into object mode and just make sure I have this object exactly where I want it to be. I'm going to select my edge. I'll double click on that and then go ahead and press extrude. Now instead of using the regular extrude handles, I'm going to actually just use a regular scale tool and kind of scale that out. I'll come in and select these vertices and then just scale them along the y-axis so that everything is nice and flat. I'll go ahead and do that with all four sides here. So in essence what we're doing is instead of extruding out that elliptical shape, we're going to actually extrude out a box from the pipe or from the ellipse. Okay, so now that I've done that, I'll just go ahead and double click on one of these edges